Hi, this is a demo of the phone app named Graphrase, which is a multimedia translator to help people who don't share a language in common to communicate with each other. The basic structure is that there are menus and ideas and idea pages. Here we're at the main menu. We'll select the categories menu, which contains various submenus. We'll select the food menu and then the animal menu, which contains menus for various categories of food from animals. If we go back to the food menu, we can select the plant menu. When we select the fruit menu, now we're at a menu of ideas. Selecting an idea of, say, an apple takes us to that idea page, which shows an image of the idea and the text of the idea in the foreign language, which here is set to French, and the text of the idea in the user's native language in the title bar at the top. So with an idea page displayed like this, the user holds up their phone for the foreigner to see, and that's the purpose of the app. It can also speak the idea text in the foreign language for the foreigner to hear.
Pomme,
And again,
pomme,
and you can swipe through all the ideas in the current menu. Here we're in the fruit menu.
raisin, pastèque,
The foreign language here is French. We can go to settings to change the foreign language to, say, Chinese. Now the foreign language is Chinese. The text displayed is Chinese, and the text spoken is Chinese.
苹果,
Same for all the idea pages.
葡萄,西瓜,
The user's native language, which here is set to English and is used for the text in the title bar at the top here and on all the menus, that language automatically matches the phone's setting, what they call the locale. All these simple black and white images that I've been showing you, I just scraped them all off the web. The actual product will use much nicer images in colour and more fun. I retained a graphical designer, an artist, to produce a few sample images, which we're looking at now. This is closer to the style that we're using in the initial version. To communicate the negation of something, to say that you don't want this, apply the negation modifier, which overlays the prohibition symbol over the image. This could be useful, for example, if you have a dietary restriction, such as a peanut allergy. Ideas that are frequently used can be bookmarked, so you don't have to navigate through the menus every time. You select the idea that you frequently use, for example, asking where the bathroom is. By the way, this menu is all those symbols you see at airports. And then you add the idea to the bookmarks. Then the idea is included in the bookmark menu where it can be quickly and easily accessed. You can also negate an idea before bookmarking it. For example, if you don't eat pork for religious reasons. In the bookmark, the negation symbol is shown. And if you change the foreign language, it changes it on the bookmarked idea. You can see it changed from Chinese to French. Similar to bookmarks are stories, which are several ideas grouped together. You visit the story menu and start creating a new story, and then every idea that you select is added to the story. I'm adding bacon, eggs, and coffee. And then you give it a name, and it's saved in the Stories menu. When you select the story, the ideas are gathered as a sequence which you swipe through. This product is patented. In the patent specification on the ideas pages, we placed buttons on screen rather than in a drop-down menu, which I think is a superior user interface, so we're making that change. Also, in the patent, we listed some menus and ideas as a demo, which you can see here. Though the actual product includes thousands of ideas with a vast vocabulary. The software works offline. It doesn't need an internet connection because it can be difficult to get an internet connection when traveling. But when offline, the images may be lower resolution. The high-res images are downloaded on demand. The images don't have to be static. They may be animated GIFs or videos. And new sets of images can be downloaded. Initially, we're offering several industry packs. Travel, for tourists and business people travelling abroad. Medical, for healthcare professionals treating patients, including healthcare symbols, symptoms, and medical conditions. Military, for troops on foreign deployments. And disabled, for people who are hearing impaired or non-verbal. And that's it. Thanks for watching.